morning, guys. It's your girl, Miss Ernie back, and this is my first vlog postpartum. It's gonna be like some raw footage of what my life is like, what my life has been like since having a baby. I have moved back home from Texas with my mom. You guys probably saw the last couple vlogs when I was in Texas, me thinking about moving, and I've been here since February. My baby and I are moving soon. Honestly, like, y'all gonna see in this video, honestly, I have really been getting a lot of help being here with my mom, my dad, my parents, my grandparents. Everybody has been just giving me the support that is really odd because I've never received this much support in my life. So being here has really helped. I've already found our next place and I'm really excited about it. I'm not going to be sharing that on social media, obviously, because I have a baby that's living with me. But as to when we're going to go, I don't know. Because every time I think that I'm ready, I'm not, truthfully. That's just that. But this morning, it is 7:15-ish. I go to work at 9. I'm just going to show you guys the behind the scenes of what, again, my life has been like. So I'm about to get up and do my skincare and just kind of get prepped. Oh my God, I'm tired. One of the things about being a mom is like, oh, should I lay in bed? Should I get some extra sleep? Or should I get up and edit, vlog, get some things done, business-wise? And it's like the more that I sleep, the more tired I am. So I just decided to get the hell up. My dad has been helping keep my son, so he came and got him this morning around 6:30. And he's going to be with Papa all day. So I'm about to clean up this room, y'all. This room gets really, really cluttered, really, really dirty because there's a baby in here. And the night morning shift is kind of rough. I got a package from what I've been wearing during my postpartum. Shapewear is bomb because I was posting them and wearing them before I had my baby. You guys probably remember old footage, especially when I was trying to gain weight, which is so ironic now. But yeah, Shapewear has been sending me a lot of amazing postpartum packages, and I just love that brand. So I've been sharing them a lot on my Instagram as well. They're a feel-good brand for mommies, a feel-good brand for women who are more curvy, and just a feel-good brand for anyone. Like I said, I was super skinny and I was wearing Shapewear. So they have something literally for everybody. Let me go ahead and get up. We're gonna start by cleaning my room. So this is honestly what parenthood is all about, and I'm glad I can actually show this to you guys so maybe you can understand why I don't film all the time. My dad just called, and apparently I forgot to put bottles in his baby bag, so now I have to go find them, and because they are out right now. And he's not hungry because I just fed him, but I literally left the bottle over here, and I packed everything else, formula, all of that, but bottles. So I'm going to pack another muslin cloth. And then I have some bottles. So I pretty much cleaned up and started his laundry. But I'm going to go ahead and get ready for work really, really fast. And then head out to make sure that I have time to do all of this stuff. Doing this by myself, like being a single mom, is kind of hard. As you guys can see, I'm always anxious. I'm always panicking. And if we're being honest, like internally, I always wake up and I know when something wrong is going to happen. So that's why I couldn't go back to sleep. And it's not necessarily bad, but it's not that great. So the content that I was about to film, I'll be filming that later. It's just been a wild ass roller coaster. He got his shots yesterday, so I've been freaking out about that as well, checking his temperature and whatnot. But nah, you guys, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm about to go ahead and get dressed and then I'm hit y'all up when I am at work right now. My hair looks crazy. I was thinking about braiding my hair up this weekend, so I might end up just ordering some hair off of Amazon because I don't know if I'm gonna have time to go to the hair store. And lately life has been so much easier when it just gets delivered directly to my home. So yeah, I have an hour and a half left for work and I am dreading it. I just took a nap on my break and I'm tired, okay? I ended up meeting my dad, like I said, and I took my baby some bottles because, there we go. Last time we checked, I forgot to pack him bottles. Ooh, and trying to multitask is just really hard, but here we are. When I was pregnant, I used to steal names from my jobs, like all the little claims that I had and all the different accounts. I was like, ooh, do I like this name? I want to use this name. I ended up not using any of them. And one day I'll tell a story of how I got my son's name, but I didn't get his name from like my job. I got these little thingies from a really cute store, Pop something, I don't know what it's called, but it's like the adult version of Five Below. I'm gonna take y'all one day. I'm gonna vlog the next time I go in there. Anyway, I like these daily organizers. You can get them off of Amazon too. I'll link them down below. But these have been getting me through my day. It lists the meal prepping, notes, schedules, like to-dos that I want to get done. It also has health and fitness on here. I haven't really used that yet. And then it always does I'm thankful for. And it really just puts me in the mood to attack my day for real. Right now I have a notebook, a planner, of course, sticky notes. But this has been my go-to. I keep this in my bag. And it just keeps me organized of what I've actually accomplished today. So when I look down on this list, it makes me feel better than to just be sitting in this chair. I got a lot more done. Good morning. So I'm back at it again in the office space. And my dad always brings me either lunch or breakfast or sometimes both. But he's watching my son again today. So I met him up here. Got everybody dressed this morning. So of course couldn't vlog, but I look crazy. What I've been trying to do is buy pieces off of Shein for real that I could just throw on in like 4 or 5 minutes, because that's really all I have to myself sometimes. And that way when I leave the house I still feel like an adult. I still feel pretty. I still feel whatever. I'm pretty comfortable today. I have on sweats and a t-shirt and my Crocs, so I feel normally whatever today. But yeah, days like this, it's like, this is why you shop for yourself. But every time I end up trying to shop for myself, I end up shopping for my son. So while I'm at work, I'm gonna find me some basics, some pieces I can throw on really quickly that are just, you know, of age but still cute, out on the town. Like, I figure if somebody saw me, I should not be ashamed of what I have on. An old dirty cardigan and an oversized t-shirt from when I was pregnant. So yeah, I'm about to just eat my breakfast really quick, go ahead and clock in and get my day started. I'm tired, but I actually slept pretty decently last night, and my son sleeps through the night now. So I don't really know why I'm always so tired. But the days start blending together. It's Wednesday. It feels like a fucking Monday. Good morning, y'all. It is Thursday. I want to say, I don't even know what day it is, so I'm not even gonna lie. I'm doing some skincare and prep before work. I'm also pumping. But I'm thinking about playing hooky from work. Of course, I got content to do. You guys saw yesterday that didn't go that well. So I got some content to do, and I also wanted to braid my hair. I dropped my son off early this morning to my godmama's house. So she has him today. But I'm thinking about just braiding my hair up. I wanted to do that this weekend. I don't know if I mentioned that on this vlog yet, but I just feel like I can get a lot more done today if I don't go to work, ironically. So I'm just doing some skin prep. I decided every time I pump, I'm going to start putting these under my eye because mommy be looking tired. Everybody kept asking me yesterday, am I okay? I look tired. What are y'all trying to say? So we're going to prep. We're going to refresh the skin. Give it some moisture. I always feel like I look youthful and my skin looks its best when it's moisturized. So apply some moisture. But y'all, my hair has actually been doing really good. Like, I haven't touched my hair and it's been like this all week. So I put some oil on it this morning, obviously, but she needs her hair done. So we're gonna go to the hair store, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. I love this hair store that I'm going to. And then I wanted to go by Publix, or I really want to go to Aldi because I heard that Aldi has good diapers. I know, right? But also because I've never shopped in Aldi before for real at all. So I don't know. But I do want to get like some snacks and little groceries and stuff because I realize that my milk production is drastically low because I don't eat. So I need to eat something. And I wanted Starbucks while I was out when I dropped off my son, but I didn't feel like going to get it. Alrighty guys, so I got all this stuff on my face. What is this stuff on my face? Anyway, I am trying to step out of mommy mode really quick. I want to show you guys some items that I got from Shapewear, and I just tried on this swimsuit real quick just to see what it's giving, and it's giving. So I'm going to show you guys the full little collection they sent me. If you're new to my channel, I love Shapewear, okay? I've been reviewing them probably for a couple years, and they just give the best shapewear, bodysuits, bras, underwear. I've said time and time again, if you are a coming of age woman, whether you have children like me or not, a child, hold up now. You definitely want to have these pieces that are quality in your closet. They come in handy. I just did a photo shoot and I needed shapewear. So having bras of good quality, having shapewear of good quality, you definitely want to have that in your closet. First piece, and the first top, both of these are full coverage pieces. This is their halter bikini top. This is my favorite part, okay? Out of the whole two-piece set, I think this is my favorite top. It's covering the girls, but the girls are sitting. It's still giving flirtation. This is a mommy suit, but it's also giving something that I would have wore like before I had my baby, pre-Rowan. So this is just the top. It's a halter, like I said, and then this is the back. It's showing my tattoo. It's giving flirt. Like the girls are sitting up, which I really, really love because after you have a baby, things start changing, y'all. The bottoms are also my favorite. They're really, really feminine. I really like the ruching that it has in the front. But the best part about this is if you're kind of nervous about the extra pudge or the extra stretch marks that mommies have, this is covering everything, okay? You can't see anything, right? But it's still giving body. It's still giving, all right, this one, I feel like this would have been perfect for the 4th of July, but it's also giving pool party. Let's sit some drinks by the pool. Next, we have the adjustable tankini is what they're calling it. It's to me like one of those swim shirts. I have on the same bottoms because I just wanted to try everything from their collection. This isn't really like my personal preference, but I absolutely think this is really, really comfortable. I plan on doing some swim classes for my son, and I feel like this is one of the pieces that I would definitely wear. So I had to take a look and see what these were called. I'm obsessed with the color, and I have some thoughts. Now, first of all, I would not wear these pieces together. I did get a separate top for the skirt, but I love both of these pieces separately. The swim skirt, and I believe hot pink, and then it's the same color that they have in their ruffle top. So first thoughts on the top, it fits perfectly. When I put it on, I literally gasped. I feel like the color is perfect on my skin. And I just love the fit of both of these. They make me feel really, really girly. But of course, with my body type now, I definitely would want something a little bit more, let's just say, flattering. And so I wouldn't wear ruffle on a ruffle. I would definitely say wear something either form-fitting on the bottom or form-fitting on the top. If you wanted to wear them together, I think that would be really, really cute and girly. But as for me, I'm going to be switching up the top, and I'll show you that in a moment. So here is a better look at the skirt. This is how I would wear this outfit. This is the same top as the first bikini halter top, but in black. And then I have my pink skirt on the bottom. I would definitely wear this. I would also wear the striped bikini top with this bottom as well. I love that you can mix and match these pieces for real. But yes, this is what's giving. This is, yes. Still giving mommy and baby at the beach, or it's giving girls are sipping by the pool. A lot of the swimwear that I get from like Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing, things like that, are going to be more of a cheaper quality. They're also going to be more of like hoochie coo wear, which we love a good hoochie piece. But sometimes you do just want to look put together and have quality. So that's what I love about this new line. So y'all, that is pretty much all of the pieces. I'm obsessed. I really love the quality of Shapewear. I can't get over that. Now that I'm getting older, I care more about the quality of things versus finding the cheapest items, such as price and the quality of it as well. I want something that's going to last me for a long time, and something that when I look at her, okay, she looks put together, she looks nice. So that's that. I'm about to wash and deep condition my hair really quickly. Speaking of quality, I just spent some money in the hair store, and I ended up getting some really nice shampoo and conditioner for my hair, because I used to be that girl. Cantu, Dollar Tree, Target brand, and even Target has some nice items as well. But I love design essentials, so I'm going to show you guys the products that I just got from the hair store. But I'm about to deep condition my hair because she needs it. I'm going to be using this African Chebe line. They have like conditioner, mousse, everything, but I just wanted to try the shampoo this time, so I got their anti-breakage moisture retention shampoo. This is from their growth collection. I love the packaging. It's really, really cute. And then I also got the design essentials. This is their rosemary and mint line. This is going to be a stimulating, super moisturizing conditioner. I like to deep condition with stimulating conditioners. They don't always have to say deep condition. And I just put like a plastic bag over my head, and yeah. So it is about 3:30. Look at me, braided half my head, starting to look good. They're really sloppy though. I was rushing. I'm about to go to Target looking just like this. Try to tell myself I don't look that bad, girl, you look bad, but it's okay. About to go walk around Target. Mom is going to pick up my baby boy, so I'm gonna go spend one last little hour to myself walking around Target. And I'm going to the big Target because I always go to that Target. They have the same things. So we're gonna go to one. Oh my god, my lips. We're gonna go to one that is probably 30 minutes away or so. But it's a super Target. Like, it's a super Target. Oh my god, you gotta go. The older I get, the more moles that I get. That's so weird. But yeah, I might vlog a little bit in Target. I hate vlogging, but like in public places, because people always just make it a big thing. It's like, ugh. But let me not be one of those people who sit at the stop sign. So let me to Target, y'all. Why I didn't have on nipple covers and my boobs started leaking. So I had to put the nipple covers on. Hopefully that dries soon. I look crazy, but who gives a fuck? We about to walk around Target. Okay. Hey guys, I did not vlog much yesterday. I finished my hair while I was at work. It's a little tight or whatever. It didn't turn out how I wanted it to, but I think it's still cute. It's still decent. And when it stops hurting, I'm probably just gonna wear it in a bun. But for now, just have it, you know, whatever. I am getting tacos and tequila with my child's godfather. That's what I call my friends now. My godparents. They're his godparents. We went to go visit my grandma, and my aunt pretty much was like, you need to go get lunch or something. We got him. So I left. And he's with my granny and my aunts. All my family loves him. Like, literally yesterday was the family reunion. We had a great time. And my whole family did the same thing. Go do something. Go ride four-wheelers. Go whatever. So I'm trying to get used to having time to myself. So I'm gonna get me some tequila. I'm excited. But I really just want some really good nachos. It's hot as fuck in Florida. It was 104 degrees yesterday. Today it's 97 degrees. Y'all. Why the fuck do I have on long sleeves? Or quarter sleeves, or whatever you want to call these. I've been trying to tell myself to put on clothes. I'm trying to tell myself to put on clothes before I leave the house. For reasons obviously like this. I don't look terrible, but she doesn't look good. At least I brushed my teeth, washed my face, did my skincare routine, and I got on a two-piece set that looks decent. At least I lotioned my kneecaps before I left the house. Because all I worry about is how my son looks, if he's clean, dry, all of the above. So yeah. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get a table and sit down. So yeah, let's go in this restaurant that I'm paying parking for. Y'all know I don't pay parking. They got me paying for parking in Jacksonville. What?